up, guys? Welcome back to my channel, and if you are new here, I am LaShondacapri, and in today's video, as you can already tell by the title, I'm going to be showing you guys how I do this look. If you guys haven't noticed, it is from the Instagram filters. So yes, before we jump into this look, I'm actually going to discuss my giveaway. So if you don't know, you probably do know that I have been saying for about a month now that I was going to do a giveaway once I reach 500 subscribers. This is my way of giving back and showing my appreciation for all of you guys for subscribing to my channel and basically getting me to 500 subscribers. This is just a small token to show you guys how I appreciate all the love and support. So before I jump into showing what the winner is going to win, I wanted to explain the rules and everything of the giveaway. So first and foremost, this is not an international giveaway. You must live in the US and you must be 18 years old or older, or please have a parent's permission to enter the giveaway. I want to make sure I make that very clear. The number one rule is you must be subscribed to my YouTube channel. Obviously, be subscribed to my YouTube channel. That is the number one rule of the giveaway. The second rule is that you need to give this video a thumbs up. Thumbs up the video, guys. Third rule is I need you guys to leave a comment down below on this video. Drop down some ideas for video content, for content that you guys want to see on my channel. I have ideas of videos I want to do in the future, but with you guys' help, I could get a more feel of what you guys like to see on my channel, and I could just, you know, do some things that you guys want to see as well. Also, guys, when leaving a comment down below, make sure you are leaving information for me to be able to reach out to you, especially if you're the winner. So with that being said, leave your Instagram name, an email address, your YouTube name, just a way for me to be in contact with you for the winnings. I need to be able to tell my manager how to contact you. So if you're a winner, you want us to know how to contact you, so make sure you leave that down below in the comments as well, whether it's your email address, your Instagram, just a way to contact you. Also, guys, all of this I'm saying, I'm leaving it down below in the description. So if you forget, just look down in the description. Now, guys, I am gonna have bonus entries. If you want to see that, it will also be down below. A little bit examples of bonus entries is like liking my Instagram page, liking pictures on my Instagram page, sharing this video, going to some of my other videos, thumbs it up, watching the videos all the way through, telling friends and family to subscribe to my channel. So want more entries, look down below, because it's going to be a whole list of ways that you can have bonus entries. Trust me, guys, I will see all the bonus entries. I see everything. So if you really want to win and you want to give yourself more than one time to have an entry, do the bonus entries, because I'm watching and they don't go unnoticed. You don't have to do any bonus entries. If you want to increase your chance on winning, the bonus entries will help you. Again, I do want to say, guys, I do see the bonus entries. So if you want extra entry, do the bonus entry. So I do want to put in there that if you unsubscribe to my channel during or after the giveaway, you will be disqualified for this giveaway and any future giveaways that I have. So make sure you stay subscribed. So I think that pretty much covers everything about the giveaway. I'm going to go ahead and show what the winner is going to win. So let's go. So for this giveaway, the winner will win this beautiful pink plush robe from Pink Nation. If you don't know what Pink Nation is, that's Victoria's Secret. So yes, guys, this is my very first giveaway on YouTube, and this will not be my last. The prizes are just going to get better and better. So if you want to win this, make sure you do look down in the description and follow all the rules. Make sure you look at the description, guys, so you don't mess up on how to enter. And make sure you do some of those bonus entries to give yourself a better chance to win. So that pretty much wraps up the contest. I'm going to go ahead and move into this makeup look. And guys, again, make sure you give this video a thumbs up, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any videos from me, and make sure you are subscribed to my channel. So let's go ahead and jump into this makeup look. First, I'm going to start off with the blush. I'm gonna be using my Juvia's Place for that. So the blush is kind of like all over the cheek and brought up a little bit. Next, I'm gonna move on to doing the little freckles because there are a little bit of freckles in there. Okay, for freckles, I'm gonna take a little bit of my Juvia's Place highlighter cream by Juvia's Place. I'm gonna take a very tiny brush. There's some on the nose. Let's go ahead and move on to doing these cherries. This is my first time ever drawing any type of thing on my face, so let's see how I do. I really love this filter, so let's get into these cherries. I'm gonna try to take my Juvia's Place liquid lipstick because I really don't have too much red lipstick just laying around. I have this, so we're gonna use this. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put a little bit on the back of my hand. Hopefully this works. I saw James Charles do this. So let's see if it works. That works. So let's draw 3 more. Okay guys, we got some circles plus some cherries. All right, so now I'm gonna take my BH Cosmetic palette and take some eyeshadow and just kind of fill this in a little bit. So I'm gonna take BH Cosmetics. I'm gonna be taking this color right here, the red. Now I'm gonna go in with my Juvia's Place palette with a little dark red, like a darker tone, and also fill a little bit in there just to make it interesting. I'm gonna take a little white liner and kind of see if I can give these cherries a little bit of a highlight. Now we're gonna move on to the stems. I'm gonna connect them together. I'm gonna take a makeup pencil eyeliner that I got off Amazon, and I'm gonna go ahead and start drawing my stems. There we go. All right, guys, we getting somewhere. Hey, now I'm gonna go in again with my BH Cosmetics palette, and I'm gonna take a little bit of green from the palette, maybe blend these two together, and just go ahead and give that green a little bit of pop and a little bit of highlight. Now I'm gonna outline everything. I wish I had a black liquid liner, but I do not have a liquid liner. I do have an eyeshadow eyeliner pencil that I'm gonna attempt to try to outline everything. So let's see how this all works out. Wow, that actually worked out perfect. Okay, now let's attempt to do the other side. I'll be right back. Let me hurry up and do the other side, and we'll be right back. This is super freaking hard, especially for somebody who doesn't do this. This is my very first time to draw anything on my freaking face. So I think I'm doing good so far. So now I'm gonna go ahead and draw the little smiley faces that are on the filter. Bear with me as I do this. Let's go ahead and add in the white details. So now I'm gonna go ahead and add a little bit of glitter to my eyelids and maybe like put a little bit of red or a little bit like a pinkish red into the corner of my eyes. Nothing too much. Okay, now I'm going to use a little bit of red from the Festival palette again. And I'm just gonna add a little bit into the corner of my eyes here. The inner corner of my eyes. I'm gonna put on some lashes and I'll be right back. Okay, got my lashes on. Now I'm gonna add a little bit of highlight. I do notice that on the filter that the lips are like big and pouty and everything like that. So I'm gonna try my best to get it exactly how it is on the filter. So. Okay, I tried to outline the heck out of my lips because in the filter, the lips are super duper outlined and puckery and poofy. So, I think that is all for this look. Don't know who the filter is by. It is by Barbara Mousewicks on Instagram. So, I think I did amazing for my first time, like seriously. My stems could be a little bit better, but guys, it looks like cherries. It looks like cherries. So don't go too hard on me in the comments, you know, but I think I did good. And I think this is like probably one of my favorite filters on Instagram. Okay guys, that is the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this little makeup look. I hope you enter into the contest. And like I say in all my videos, I will see you guys later. Peace out.